Hello everyone. Once again welcome to Mathline channel. In this channel every week you can watch a basic maths lesson. Those who have not watched the previous lessons, please watch from the beginning and continue watching. So let us start today's lesson, that is proportion. Proportion is highly related to ratio, and it is also has great application in day-to-day examples like ratio. You know that ratio, the knowledge of ratio is used in cooking, painting, construction work, also for comparing quantities. This proportion also is used for comparing the quantities. So, what it is? We will take an example from day to day life. In the field of cooking, we'll take the construction of tea. In tea, we will take the ratio of milk and water only. It should be a definite ratio. Clear? Suppose your mother makes 4 cups of tea every day. For that, 3 cups of water and 1 cup of milk she uses. So that knowledge she has, that is the ratio of milk and water. 1 is to 3. Milk 1 cup and water 3 cups. Suppose she wants to make 12 cups of tea. The ratio should not change, but the quantity of milk and water will change. So, what you have to do? You have to find the equivalent ratio or equivalent fraction. What is the ratio of milk and water? 1 is to 3. So that ratio should not change. Now, what is the ratio of cups of tea? 4 upon 12. 4 upon 12. So, what is the relation? 4 3s are 12. So, each part of the ratio you have to multiply by 3. So, for making 12 cups of tea, how much milk is required? 1 into 3. 3 cups of milk. And water 3 into 3. Same number you have to multiply to get the equivalent ratio or equivalent fraction. That is the meaning of proportion. In the same ratio, or when two ratios are equal, the terms in the ratio are in proportion. We are telling in the same proportion. When she makes 4 cups of tea and 12 cups of tea, then they are in equal ratios or they are in proportion. So we'll say in the same proportion. So what does proportion means? When two ratios are equal, the terms in the ratio are in proportion. Here one more example you see. The cost and number. The number of notebooks, 3 notebooks and 7 notebooks. Cost of 3 notebooks is rupees 45. Cost of 7 notebooks equal to rupees 105. How you got this 105? You have to see what is the relation between 3 and 50. 3 and 45. How many 3s are 45? 15 3s are 45. Same number you have to multiply. 7 into 50. That is equal to 105. So we are getting equivalent fraction or equivalent ratio. So what we can, so 3 upon 7 is equal to 45 upon 105. So if you know the cost of 3 notebooks is rupees 45, we can find the cost of 7 notebooks. Clear? So what we can say, 3 upon 7 is equal to 45 upon 105. Two ratios are equal. So we can say that 3, 7, 45, 105 are in proportion. It is one kind of equivalent fraction. 3, how 3 is related to 45. Same way 7 is related to 105. That is the proportion, same way, in the same ratio. Clear? That is the meaning of proportion. So we can say that 3, 7, 45, 105 are in proportion. When two ratios are equal, then the terms in the ratio are in proportion. You have to say in the same order. You start from the new term of the first ratio, first term of the first ratio, second term of the first ratio, first term of the second ratio, second term of, in the same order you have to say 3, 7, 45, 105. You cannot say 45, 7, 3 like that. Order should be say similar. Now in general, the definition of proportion, if A upon B, any ratio, is equal to C upon D, then A, B, C, D are in proportion. We cannot say that a single ratio in proportion. How many? Two ratios equal. Then the terms in the ratio are in proportion. So ratio and proportion are not same. Clear? Again, if it is like that, we can find the cross while comparing fraction you have studied. If A upon B equal to C upon D, then A into D equal to B into C. Or if A into D equal to B into C, then A upon B equal to C upon D. Using that, we can check whether the given four numbers are in proportion or not. See this example, you have to check 4, 9, 28, 63 are in proportion or not. What you have to do? Cross product. First cross product and second cross product. First write in the form of A upon B. A is 4, B is 9, C is 28, D is 63. So A upon B is 4 upon 9. C upon D is 28 upon 63. Find A into D. That is 4 into 63, we got 252. Then find B into C. 9 into 28 again got 252. What does it means? A into D equal to B into C. Therefore, A, B, C, D are in proportion. Therefore, 4, 9, 28, 63. In this order only you have to say. 4, 9, 28, 63 are in proportion. That is all about proportion. We will be studying more about proportion, ratio and proportion in the coming lessons. That is the end of today's lesson. If you like this lesson, please press like button. Thank you for watching this lesson. See you next week. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Thank you.